So what if I told you you were actually able to put $1 into a machine and actually get $20 to $30 back out of that exact machine? Now, that's actually exactly what we're doing right here. And actually a bunch of my mentees have actually been able to replicate this exact method. And I'm actually gonna show you guys the best scripting guide possible on the entire internet. No matter how many courses you join or how many gurus you try to buy from, this is literally the best one by far on the entire internet, right? The only reason I'm saying this is because this exact scripting guide is actually allowed Logan, we actually filmed a client interview in Dubai with, where neighbors of Charlie Morgan for the week, Phil on the palm. It's pretty crazy stuff. He actually went from 0 to 14K per month in the first 30 days of doing this exact method. And he was actually getting like $15 per meeting, right? Most guys in the industry will get $50 a meeting. We were getting 15. So pretty crazy stuff. I can leak the entire guide right now. I've actually got my mentee. We're gonna sit down on the dining table, break down the entire script. Like I said, this is the only script you will ever need. And also, by the way, when you are running ads for your own agency, you don't need to wait to hit 10K a month. You don't need to wait to hit 20K a month. It's a big limiting belief, which I also suffered with. Now, you could actually run them at the first even few grand per month kind of thing. So if you guys are kind of struggling around a few grand per month, this will really allow you to hit it in the first few weeks of actually doing it, honestly, because you can get $15 a meeting and it's pretty fucking crazy stuff. You get crazy ROI. So that's that. I'll see you guys soon and let's get into it. Very hyped for this.
So what we'll do is I'm actually going to go over this thing right now where this is pretty much like a list of like psychological biases that I actually use when I'm scripting ads to get very cheap CPL. So if you guys saw in a Logan client interview, I filmed it in Dubai with him. He showed you guys the actual ad account and we were getting like $4.50 per leads for B2B ads, which is like absolutely unheard of. So he actually used my scripting guide and he was getting anywhere from like $5 to $10 per lead. So he's getting like easily like 20-30x ROAS on ad spend, which is crazy. So he actually went over this exact same document and I had a whole entire course video. It's about 2 hours long, but I want to kind of show you guys the actual highlights of this. So when we're scripting ads, we need to understand obviously the ICP, which is the ideal client profile. So what's your ICP right now? Is this remodelers, right?
Mainly guys doing kitchen and bathroom remodeling, small team of, like maybe 5 employees, looking to scale to like 10 employees.
Yeah. Okay, sweet. So what's the average kind of income for these guys that they're doing?
Around like $500,000 a year. So usually guys want to hit $1 million a year when I'm on the discovery call. That's always their goal.
Okay, sweet. So what we'll do is we'll get there. Obviously, okay, so now we have the ICP. So now we understand that it's kitchen and bathroom modelers, and they have a few members of the team that want to scale to way more, and they're also doing about $500,000 per year, and they want to obviously scale to, let's say, $1 million per year. So what we need to do is actually, first of all, in the first few seconds of the actual script, we need to call the audience, and we also need to have a controversial take as well. For example, saying something like home remodelers who don't know this in 2025 are absolutely cooked, or like maybe not.
Ooh, yeah.
Maybe not saying cooked because you need to talk like their slang. That's a very like our age slang, but I think saying something like home remodelers who don't know this in 2025 are absolutely done for. So what you're doing is you're calling the audience, but you're also instilling fear, therefore the retention will be higher. That's actually why news works so well, is because they're literally just instilling fear into the audience. And that's why the retention is so high on news. So that's what we'll do. And they also feel like they're missing out on something, because if they don't know this certain thing that they're going to learn in the video by keep on watching, then they're going to be done for. Especially if you say it with a ton of conviction and also confidence, then it's going to instill even more fear and more ability for them to actually stay on longer. So that's one thing to keep in mind. Now, obviously you guys have to see, here's the Alex and Rose's value equation. So this is pretty much what is going to get you guys the lowest CPLs, cost per leads or cost per appointments. And then also on the left as well, I have all the other psychological biases that I use as well. So we'll kind of go into one each step by step, and we'll kind of make an actual script and framework about it. And then we're actually going to launch ads right now as well. So let's get into it. There's a few things we need to keep in mind. So dream outcome, perceived likelihood achievement, obviously time delay and effort sacrifice. What we need to do is mention all of these things and just maximize dream outcome, maximize perceived likelihood achievement, which you do by conviction and also social proof, and also lowest time delay and also lowest effort and sacrifice. So for example, a good example of this is saying like, if you were to get someone to their dream outcome, which is like $1 million, and they had to cross a bridge to get to that $1 million, and it was going to take a minute long, versus them crossing the bridge, but it's going to take them like 10 years to walk across that bridge. And it's going to be super hot. They're going to be sweaty. It's going to be fucking like alligators and sharks and everywhere as well. Like, they're going to be way more likely to obviously choose the first route, which is literally just time delay and effort and sacrifice. That's the only psychological biases we're using here. But if we also have more things as well, if we add in a bunch of other stuff, but this is a very like niche, like random example, but let's kind of get into it now. All right, guys, so here we have the script. I'm actually going to break down every single piece of information and pretty much all the psychological biases that I've actually used in this exact script, because it is pretty wild stuff. Let's actually get into a few things. So let's just talk about a bunch of these psychological biases here. We're also going to add in exclusivity. We're also going to add in scarcity and FOMO bias. We're also going to add urgency, curiosity, mystery, perceived value in our background. It's a pretty crazy place we're in right now, so that's going to help a lot. But like at least a few examples of this. So in the actual script going into it, so the hook is going to be something like this, where it's going to be like, I know dark times are coming for a lot of home remodeling business owners, but, and then it gets into it, or some kitchen and bathroom remodelers are using this brand new exact method that lets them get an extra 500K per year with barely any effort in their business. We're using a few different things here. So we're using social proof or perceived social proof, and we're also using scarcity and FOMO because they don't know what this is and other people are using it, so they're going to get FOMO. There's also low effort and sacrifice because I said here with barely any effort, they're getting an extra 500K per year with barely any effort. So it's like I'm hitting all these ticks in their mind only in the hook, which is going to make them stay on for so much longer just because I'm like leveraging so many psychological biases on it where it's like the human mind can't really take it, where it's like they just have to stay watching, they have to click on the ad. Let's kind of get into, so let's actually get into script here. So here's my offer to you. By leveraging new AI technology, me and my team will get you 10 to 15 in-person inspections within 4 weeks on autopilot on absolute zero risk. Pay per results basis guaranteed with very little effort and sacrifice on your side by using new tactics that almost no one knows about besides their clients. So this is an absolute like overload of just psychological biases. So what we're going to do, I'm actually going to kind of show you guys like what we're actually doing here, but we're using a lot of stuff. So for example, my team and I will get you 10, 15 in-person inspections, right, as dream outcome. And also, by the way, the way that you say things, your tonality is very, very, very dependent on the CPL. The CPL is very dependent on your tonality and actually how you say things because it actually increases the perceived likelihood of achievement, right? Saying things with a lot of conviction is going to help you a ton compared to saying things without barely any confidence kind of thing. So that's honestly what I would say. And with that, there's lots of other things as well. So within 4 weeks on autopilot, so within 4 weeks, low time delay, and also on autopilot, there's barely any effort and sacrifice as well. Right, because it's on autopilot. There's also absolutely zero risk as well, so there's no risk. Obviously, if you were to cross the bridge and get $1 million, but there's a 50% chance that you die, compared to 0% chance that you die with zero risk, you're obviously going to take the second option, right? So that's the thing. Pay per results basis as well, guaranteed, also low risk as well, with very little effort and sacrifice on your side, right? Low effort sacrifice. Also by using new tactics that almost no one knows about. There's also, you know, scarcity, FOMO bias, perceived newness of your offer as well, which should be somewhere over here. Yeah, perceived newness of your offer. So there's lots of other things as well. And also the best thing about this is if you don't get 10 to 15 in-person inspections within 4 weeks, you don't pay a single penny, right? So once again, their dream outcome, low time delay, low risk, having all these psychological biases in play. I would take advantage of this crazy offer while you can and claim your area before any other competitors do in your area, right? So once again, we're actually using scarcity and FOMO bias because we're saying that, oh, their competitors are actually going to take advantage of this if they don't. So literally forces them to take action because they don't want their competitors to take over them, right? You were using like so many like psychological biases here, and they literally just like have to click on the ad. This is why we're getting like $5 to $10 cost per leads with B2B like client getting ads. So it's pretty insane stuff. So also more stuff as well. Do you want to get results just like my clients? So you could just name a bunch of clients which you got good results for here, which we could go off for a while on. Just click the link down below to get started and you can have a chat. I'll show you how to get everything set up in no time and start flooding your home improvement business with in-person inspections every single month on autopilot on absolute zero risk. And I'm looking forward to speaking to you soon. Kind of wrap it up there. Like that's usually the best script to kind of go about things. And guys, please don't use this script for everyone. Like it's going to get oversaturated like very fast. So yeah, just I want to pull a like Thomas Ghana on you guys where everyone starts cold calling it a med spa niche, but hopefully this doesn't like blow up too big. But yeah, that's kind of what I'm thinking. So there's also lots of other things. So we're also going to have perceived value in our background as well. We're also like looks maxing. So we're pretty like practical. And then also pattern interrupt too. So we have a pretty big pattern interrupt as well by using the hook and also originality bias as well. And also inflicting fear or pain if they don't take actions. That's also on hook too. Also social proof, we're going to add in that as well. Authority because we have more social proof and also our background is good as well. And also our conviction is going to be high too. So that's going to be very solid. There's a few other ones I'm not really going to mention, but that's kind of like the main ones. So if you guys are thinking of running ads, anyone could start running ads as soon as you have like a few clients. Ideally, you could also start at zero if you've done a few trials or something like that. But I think you definitely made the mistake by not starting ads earlier.
Yeah.
Because we could be getting like a 20x ROAS right now, I'm pretty sure.
Yeah.
So yeah. And I'll actually kind of break down the math of what this actually looks like. So let's just say that we spend, let's just say 3K on ads. Let's just say we're getting worst case scenario, $30 per appointment, like worst case scenario, which is usually the guys are getting like 25 or 20 to 30, maybe 40 kind of thing. So that is going to equal about 100 appointments. Yeah. So out of the 100 appointments, and also by the way, guys, the thing with ads is ads, they have way better show up rates and also close rates compared to cold traffic because they're the ones who are going to you. And also all the things you said in the ad is going to make them want to buy as well because you're using so many like psychological biases. Like for example, if I were to tell you in your SMA that I'm going to get you to 10K a month by tomorrow with zero risk, and you only have to pay after you get there. And everyone else has done it. And I have contracts with the government of Russia and Donald Trump signed saying that you're going to get a 10K a month by tomorrow. You don't pay. So it's like, just because like we use so many psychological biases there, and also in my offer to you to hit 10K a month by tomorrow. So it's like the close rate also goes up way, way more as well.
Yeah.
So that's also a big thing too. So that was also a very random example, but I just want to kind of emphasize the points. Okay, so let's get into it. So let's say out of 100 appointments, right? Let's just say, what's your show up rate right now?
So all cold traffic is around 35%.
Okay, we're also going to go into that of like how we could implement the systems and actually get to like 70%. So you need to be going over the course material, bro. So
Yeah.
there's less than us. Yeah. Okay. So, was that 35% in the holidays or like
In general.
enjoy your? Oh, okay. Okay, I'll send you a result if we can implement it, get a 70%. Okay. So let's just say we bumped up to even like 50%, right? Very, very achievable. And most of the time I was getting like 70 or 80% with nothing too crazy systems. I think it's just because my frame was good and my perceived value of the call is also high. That's a big thing with show rate, by the way, guys. It's like, it's all about your perceived value of the call, because let's just say that you're gonna get on a call with Alex Ramosi, one-on-one call with him, and it was at 3 a.m. and there was this craziest party of your life. And would you still go to the call? Yeah, you would, because it's Alex fucking Hormozy. But why though? Because the perceived value of the call is so high. So you need to do the exact same here. You need to have high perceived value of them actually showing the call. If you sound like everyone else, there's low perceived value. If you have no social proof, there's low perceived value because their conviction and you getting results with them is low. Therefore, the show rate will also be low as well. So you need to kind of think of ways on how to actually maximize their show rate. Also, another good thing is like just reminding them as well. So give them multiple calls, give them multiple text reminders as well. Having a good back-end VSL or pre-call video to kind of show them, okay, this is how the call is going to go. This is what to expect on the call. This is a bunch of results and clients that we could have done this with multiple other people who are exactly like you in the past, and we could do the exact same thing for you as well. So they're also going to want to show up as well. And you can also have social proof for the sales call. So when I say this is like, you want to increase the perceived value of the call of them actually showing up, right? So saying something like, this is a very weird example. No one actually else in the industry or estimate kind of knows about this, but saying certain things like, okay, well, actually on the cold call or on the triage call, like after they book in, you could call them up. So, oh yeah, actually another guy last week, he showed up and we actually showed him how to do a Google review campaign and also database reactivation campaign for completely free. We didn't even charge him. We just did it for free. And he actually closed an extra like 20K in the past week.
Wow. And
he also rose to the top 1% in his area on actual Google rankings in his like Google business profile. So just because he showed up to call, he got those results. So all you have to do is show up to call. We could do it for free, half of that for free. And also if you want to really explode your business, get massive results, we could also talk about potential business partnership as well. Does that sound fair? So what we're doing there is we're attaching social proof for them even showing up to the call. And it's also free as well, so there's zero risk. So there's like, we're using quite a lot of psychological biases here, which works very well. But let's actually get back into it, back into actual ads. So kind of going all over the place, but yeah, it's all good. Okay, so let's just say 50% show up rate, so 50 appointments, and then out of these 50 appointments, let's just say, what's your close rate right now?
close is 15%.
Oh shit, bro. Go, you're showing to the sales coaching calls.
Yeah, okay, yeah.
Okay, so let's just say, let's just say 20%, or let's say 15-20%.
Yeah, cool.
Because with ads, typically the close rate is actually usually like about 5 to 10% higher, I'd say.
Oh yeah.
Let's just say even 20%. So out of this, that's obviously equals 10 clients. So 10 clients paying you how much per month usually?
Per month around like 1,500 US.
Okay,
So
1,500 US. That is going to be about 15K per month. MRR that we just got from only spending 3K in ads. So this is like the power of ads. And like, it's obviously not this simple. I've also seen guys waste thousands of dollars because they don't know what they're doing. They're not doing it the right way. But you could literally make like an extra 15K per month in MRR. And obviously your contracts are probably for 3 months long as well.
exactly.
So that's like literally 45K total in LTV of initial contract value for only spending 3K in ads. But don't think it's this easy because there's lots of things. And if you didn't like watch the whole video as well and understand actually, okay, how to script things and like also how to launch them as well, that's a completely different part too. But at least like scripting them, this is honestly the best way to do it because you guys have to actually study and understand psychological biases because it's so crucial in everything when it comes to getting pretty much anyone to do anything you want actually. Like I could pretty much get anything to do or anyone to do anything I want. Like it might seem manipulative, but I'm just like using biases literally. That's kind of what sales and marketing is, but yeah, that's kind of it. Fireplace going, and we just actually scripted out the whole thing as you guys saw. So we got the Christmas tree set up as well. And yeah, so we're actually gonna film ads here. Just put the chair up on the desk. So one thing keep in mind when you're filming ads is always like stand up because you have a lot more conviction in the way you speak. We're actually filming a YouTube video as well for sales. I'm gonna go over a sales call review, but so let's actually put the script here, and then we kind of want to have it like out of the
camera view. So I think this would be like perfect, to be honest. So do something like that. And you kind of want to memorize a bit of it because you don't want to like be looking down. And then we'll also turn on the ring light too. So, and also one thing to keep in mind as well is like, you guys want to have some sort of theme with the niche. So I'm thinking of actually getting like power tools potentially from downstairs we can also do. And yeah, so we're actually just going to film now.
For a lot of home remodelers, but here's my solution to you. By leveraging the newest AI technology, my team and I will guarantee you 50 grand worth of projects within the next 90 days on a complete pay on performance basis. Meaning if you don't make any money, I don't make any money either. Now listen, this is a very limited time offer for the new year 2025. Click the link below so you can get results just like my client Bob, who closed over 60 grand worth of projects within the last 60 days. I'll see you on the other side.
Boom!
Oh,
let's go!
First try.
Let's go! That was actually really solid, to be honest, yeah.
For a lot of home remodelers, but here's my solution to you. By leveraging the
yeah, this actually looks really good.
It's
okay.
fire, yeah, it's fire.
So yeah, this is actually really solid. So like what we'll do is we'll probably split test actually a few other ones, because the thing with ads is you guys need to be split testing quite a few different ads at the same time. So ideally about 3 to 4 videos, and then you also want to split test that in about 3 to 4 different ad sets too, based off just interest targeting and customer list targeting and stuff like that. So that's kind of what I do. I think we're also probably going to split test one with like, I think we have some like power tools, like drills and stuff like that downstairs. So we'll also probably do that too. For example, if you guys are in roofing or if you guys are in real estate, you want to kind of fit the theme of the niche. So for example, if you're in roofing, you want to wear like a hard hat and get like a vest. So what we actually did, I actually filmed out with my other friend, Jack, or other mentee / friend. We actually heard construction down the street. So we literally just pulled up and is actually asked to borrow the hard hat and vest. And we just got it for like an hour, and we just gave him a pack of beer and he gave it to us. So that's also one thing you guys could do as well. So I hope you guys got a ton of value out of this video. I think it was pretty solid. So we're gonna get a bunch more videos as well with Jordy. We actually filmed sales call review. It's actually been really solid, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the end. If you guys also want to hop in the mentorship, join me.
Link below.
Let's go.
Let's get in there, boys. Let's go. I'll see you outside.
Like, honestly, all you guys have to do is message me on Instagram. Happy to help you guys out. We actually just hosted a client retreat for all the mentees. Or at least some of them flew out internationally, also flew to Filmer, and had a bunch of people pull up. It was pretty crazy stuff. We're neighbors with Charlie Morgan for a week, Villa on the Palm, and next one's in Cape Town actually. But besides all the retreats and all that stuff, it's obviously the actual mentorship. So we get, you guys get everything inside, everything you need to scale. I've had most of the guys join courses and struggle for months or years, and they join the mentorship, and in the first few weeks they hit 10K, 20K months kind of thing. So that's it. We also guarantee results as well. See you guys in the end. Message me on Instagram at Eric. Happy to help you guys out. I'll talk to you guys soon.